Hello student. Now we learn here fraction. The subtopic 11.2 equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent means what first? Equivalent fraction means what? Two or more fraction shown by the two or more fractions shown by the same part of the whole are called equivalent fraction. See here is one box and you do the half part color. What is fraction there? 1/2. Same as it, same box here, and here do the 4 parts there, and you color there 2 parts. You write there 2/4. 2/4 means 1/2 na. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Understand? Next one also same. Use there 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4. Their color there 4 part. Write there 4/8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 1/2. You call that one equivalent fractions. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 4 ones are 4. Means whole fraction are same. Understand? How we can obtain equivalent fraction is a given fraction? See here. We multiply the numerator and the denominator of a given fraction by the same number other than 0 we obtain an equivalent fraction. See here, they are given you example 2/7, but you want their next 1, 2, 3 fraction. That time what you do? First ones you multiply by 2 twos and 7 twos, means you numerator number multiply by 2, that time you multiply by denominator number same number, means multiply by 2. 2 twos are 4, 7 twos are 14. Understand? Next one also same. 2 threes are 7, 3s are 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21, 2 4s are 7 4s are 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28. Understand? Next one also same. 2 by 5 given. Okay. You multiply by you want here first 3 equivalent. You want their equivalent fraction, not a first 3, second 3. Okay. 3 equivalent fraction. See here 2 6 are 5 6 are 2 6 are 12, 5 6 are 30, 2 7s are 5 7s are 2 7s are 14, 5 7s are 35, 2 8s are 5 8s are 8 5s are 40, 8 2s are 16. Understand how to write equivalent fraction? Okay. They want their first 3 equivalent. That time you multiply by 2 3 4. They want their last 3 7 8 9. You multiply. Okay. Anyone's number. Only want here 3 equivalent fraction. See here. Open your notebook. Sorry, textbook. And we write there. We write there. Okay. See. Exercise page number 60. Exercise, write 3 equivalent fraction for each fraction. For each fraction. 1 by 2 given. Multiply by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Multiply by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Multiply by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. B1 we solve here? No. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Okay. 3 4s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 4 4s are 16. Understand? All of you understand now? 2 3 4. Now also same. 2 ones are 1 multiplied by 2 means 2 ones are 2. 3 twos are 6. 1 threes are 3. 3 threes are 9. 1 fours are 4. 12. 2 by 5 we solve here. 2 by 5 we solve in your my notebook. Okay. 2 by 7 also we solve. So D, E, F is your homework. Understand? Next one also same. Write 3 equivalent fraction for each fraction. 4 by 5. 4 twos are 8. 5 twos are 10. 4 threes are 12. 5 threes are 15. 4 fours are 16. 5 fours are 20. 1 by 10. 2 by 20. 3 by 30. 4 by 40. 1 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. Understand? 4 by 9. As it is same. 4 twos are 8. 9 twos are 18. 4 twos are 8. 9 twos are 18. 4 threes are 12. 27. 4 fours are 16. 4 nines are 36. Understand? E and F is your homework. E and F is your homework. Now, fraction is equal to or not is equal to. How do you recognize? here. The given there is fraction is equal to or not equal to. How do you write? See, they are given you 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. That time what you do? Cross multiply means first numerator number, second denominator number, second numerator number, first denominator number, both are same. That time your answer is equal to. That time not same, answer is not equal to. See, 1 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 2. 1 4 is 4, 2 2 is 4 means 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 is equal to. Both are same. Understand? Both are same. Same as it is here. Two by 3 and 4 by 6 both are same. 2 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 4. 6 2 is 12, 4 3 is 12 means both are same. Now see here, 2 by 5 and 3 by 6. 2 multiplied by 6, 5 multiplied by 3. 2 6 are 12, 5 3 are 15. Both are same, both numbers are same? No. So 2 by 5 and 3 by 6 is a not equal to. Is a not equal to. Understand? Okay. Now open your textbook. Question number first. Page number open 61. Write the fraction if set put is equal to sign for equivalent fraction or is not equal to sign, they are not equivalent. See here, how many total parts in whole part? 3 and colored part 1. How many total parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and colored part 2. 6 1s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So this one is equal to. या फिर 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now how many total parts? 2. Colored part 1. Here how many total parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and colored part 4 means 8 1s are 8, 2 4s are 8 is equal to. See here. How many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4 and colored part 1. And how many total parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and colored part 1, 2, 3. Both are same. 8 1s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Not equal to. Understand how to do? D1 is your homework. D1 is your homework. Now put is equal to sign for equivalent fraction and not equal to sign, the fraction are not equivalent. Equivalent fraction means when you divided their numbers, your answer is what? They are correct. Okay, 3 by 8, 6 by 16, 3 by 8 and 6 by 16. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are means both are same. Now 4 by 7, 8 by 21. You multiply by cross there. 7 8s are 56 and 21 4s are 21 4s are which number coming? 84. Both sides are same? No. So is not equal to. 12 3s are 36, 9 4s are 36. Both sides are same. 10 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 10, 20. 5 multiplied by 4, 20. So 2 by 5 and 4 by 10 is equal to. 4 by 8 and 3 by 6. Both sides are same. 6 4s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Both sides are same. Now 7 2 by 9 and 2 by 7. 7 multiplied by 2 14. 9 multiplied by 2 18. Both sides are not equal to. 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So both sides are same. 8 2s are 16. 4 3s are 12 is not equal to. Understand? All of you understand? Now see here. I to L is your homework. I to L is your homework. Next one. Cross the odd fraction. Cross the odd fraction. See here. Cross the odd fraction. How to do? 2 by 9, 3 by 18, 6 by 27, 10 by 45, 10 by 45. First one, 36, 27. See here how to do. 2 by 9 multiply by all sides. Their numerator answer and denominator answer we want their same. How do you recognize 2 by 9 multiply by 3 by 18? Now you do the cross multiplication. Okay. 9 3s are 27 and 8 2s are 36. Same as it is. 2 by 9 multiply by 6 by 27. 9 6 are 56. Sorry, 54. And 27 2s are 54 means this one also same. Same as it is. 2 by 9, 10 by 45. 9 10s are 90, 45 2s are 90. Means here odd is only 3 by 18. 3 by 18 there. You cross there. Understand? You cross there that number. All of you understand how to do? See here. This one C1 we learn here. 3 by 18 is there. Odd. Now see. 5 9s are 45. 3 15s are 45. Okay. Next one. 20 3s are 60. 12 5s are 60. Next one. 25 3s are 75. 5 18s are 18 multiplied by 5. 90. Okay. 90 is there. Means this one is your odd. Because 25 3s are 75. And 5 18s are 90. So this one is your odd number. Next one. 4 12s are 12 4s are 36. 7 8s are 56. This is odd. 21 4s are 84. 12 7s are 84. 7 20s are 140. 34 4s are 140. Both are same. Understand? 8 by 12 is your odd. D1 is your homework. D1 is your homework. Okay. Next one. Write the fraction for the colored part of each figure and match the equivalent fraction. Match the equivalent fraction. This is a 1 by 2. This is a 1 2 3 4 by 4. How many colored there? 1. Total part 3, how many color? 1. Total part 4, how many color? 3. Next one, how many total part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 total part, how many color? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one, how many total part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many color? 2. How many total part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many color? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many color there? 1, 2. Now, how to match this one? This is a 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, means 3 by 4. 6 by 8 means 3 by 4. Now, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 by 3. Now, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 by 4. Understand? Now, same as it is here, same as it is here. Convert each of these fraction into the fraction having numerator 42, numerator 42. Numerator means above the line. You want here 42. All answer you want here 42. Okay. So, when the 7s are 42 come in? 6 7s are 42. Multiply by 6. So, here also multiply by 6. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. Now, when 6 are 42, 6 7s are multiplied by 7. So, 9 multiplied by 7, 63. When which table have 42? 3s are 14 na 14 3s are 42, so multiply by 14. 14 4s are which number coming? 14 4s are 56. 21 2s are 32s are 60. This one is your homework. Convert each of these fraction into the fraction having denominator 30. You want their denominator 30. Denominator number 30. Right there. Okay. Now 15 2s are 30. 15 1s are 15. 5 6 are 30. 4 6 are 24. 10 3s are 30. 7 3s are 21. 3 10s are 10. 1 10 1s are 10. E1 is your homework. E1 is your homework. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, right there, find the missing number to make the given fraction equivalent. Make the given fraction equivalent. How to do this one? How to do this one? See here. Dash dash 6 is equal to 8, 12. Okay. Now what you do? You do the cross multiply. Okay. You do the cross multiply. 6 8 za 48. And when coming the 48 in 12 table, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. So 4 by 6 answer. 4 right there. Which answer we got? You write here. Understand? Yeah, फिर another method is there. Another method is there. See. 2 dash is equal to 7 by 14. 7 by 14. 20. This one method we learn. First one. 2 14s are 28. 7 dash dash 28. 7 4s are. So right there. Both sides are same. Understand? All of you understand now how to do? Now another exam method is there. 12 by 20 is equal to 3 by dash dash. Box is there. You want there 12 divided by dash dash 3 and 12 fours are na, so right there 12 fours are 3. Now 20 is given there. You want their answer 24s are, because of first one number you divided by 4. 5. Answer is there, right? 5. But this one is a easy method. Cross multiply and write there. Cross multiply there and write there. Understand? By multiplication method is there. Good. Now open your textbook. Find the missing number to make the given fraction equivalent. 5 2 15s are 30. So 6 5s are 30. 7 2s are 14. 14 ones are 14. 15 fours are 60. 10 6s are 60. 10 sevens are 70. 14 5s are 70. 12 fours are 36, means 360. Now you want here 360. Okay. 180. 18 to the 36. You got their answer 360. Understand? F1 is your homework. G1, H1 is your homework. 4 5s are 20. 5 4 multiplied by 20, 80. So 16 5s are 80. 9 sevens are 63. And which 3s are 63? 21. 9 sevens are 63. 21. Understand? All of you understand now how to write? See here. KL is your homework. 1 by 2 given. 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. 2 sevens are 14. 1 sevens are 7. Understand? 6 5s are 30. 6 multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. 6 sevens are 42. 5 sevens are 35. 9 3s are 27. So, which 3s are 21? 7 3s are. 9 4s are 36. 7 4s are 28. 7 sevens are 49. 9 sevens are 49. 9 sevens are 63. 7 sevens are 49. 2 sevens are 14. 2 threes are 6. 7 threes are 21. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. 2 nines are 18. Understand how to write this one? Okay. Thank you.